This is the 14-foot Merax Trampoline. The kids love this, but first, let me show you how we got there. This trampoline comes in two different sizes. It comes in the 12-foot and it also comes in the 14-foot version, which is what you see right back there behind me. This trampoline was sent to me by the brand and it is a paid sponsored video. This trampoline took me approximately one full day to install, so 4 to 6 hours, mostly by myself. With the help from the kids, it probably would take about 3 to 4 hours with additional help. This is the pole that goes up right there. As you see, you've got the net that goes all the way around. You've got these large Merax springs right here that are very nice. With this 14-foot trampoline, you've got 8 legs that come down, 4 that connect together. And then, of course, you've got this pad right here. You've got the steps right here. That's a different assembly. You've got the basketball goal, which, gotta love that, basketball goal. And also, you have this zipper, and then you have these little latches here that help keep this zipper protected. It does not come with the basketball like you see right there. And one thing you have to do that takes the longest is thread every one of these springs onto this net. That is the hardest part, but it also will keep your kids safe. This net not only connects down there, threading, but also it connects on these poles at the top. These are plastic pieces, these yellow pieces right here, that you have to figure out how to tie. It gives you instructions, but it is kind of hard to tell what they're talking about, honestly. But we figured it out after a little bit of a trial and error. You have to assemble that basketball goal separately as well. After testing it, I highly recommend that a parent test this before actually jumping. Now, let's just show you the kids jumping because that's the most fun in all this, right? Are you girls ready to go jump on the trampoline?
Yeah!
Do y'all love the trampoline?
Yeah!
What's your favorite part about it?
Well, I like the basketball goal.
All right, what's your favorite part about it?
Jumping!
All right, well, go get on it.
Come on, do it!
All right, as soon as Maddie zips it, y'all can jump. Woo, here we go.
Wow! I feel like I could jump higher because we did it so much yesterday. Now I feel like I'm bouncing.
You feel like you've got the hang of it. All right, good shot.
This is the best trampoline ever.
We're on the inside now with the girls and they're jumping. All right.
Come back here, little ball.
That basketball does not come with it, but check out this basketball goal.
Daddy,
Good one. Look at her go. Whee! All right. Good. Good jumping. Let's see, that net protects them. Uh-oh. There goes Maddie jumping real high. Whoa, look at that. This looks like so much fun. Maddie, is this bigger than your other trampoline?
Oh, yes. When I got this one and we built it first, it was so small to this one. My favorite part of the trampoline is the basketball goal.
What's your second favorite thing?
The jumping part is the thing. Yeah. So you can jump.
Gives you a lot of space, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
This is a fun trampoline. I know the girls love this trampoline. I'm just bouncing everywhere here with them. Check out this Merax trampoline. Just be sure you pay attention to all the safety things that you have to do when installing it. And parents, I highly recommend that you test it first.